Looking for a solution to combat everyday wear and tear in your vehicle? SillProtector shields the entry points of cars, trucks, SUVs, and vans. Let's take a closer look. Made from the same impact-resistant material as BumperTopper, SillProtector serves the same protective function in the doorways of your vehicle. Simply place it over your sill plate and you're set. For Kia Telluride models specifically, extend the coverage of your branded OEM plate with a SillProtector that wraps around it. As a bonus, when it's time to trade in your vehicle, SillProtector also helps cover small scuffs and blemishes to protect resale value. To install, simply clean and wipe dry your door sills. Clean the SillProtector with the provided alcohol wipe, then peel back the adhesive liner on the product and press the product into place. SillProtector is 100% made in America by WeatherTech.